Welcome. In this video, we will showcase the key features and benefits of IoT-enabled robot integrated smart manufacturing work cell. We'll also demonstrate its current development status. The work cell consists of a CNC machine, which is the most ubiquitously used equipment to manufacture goods. To monitor the machine, various performance monitoring sensors such as vibration sensor, temperature sensor are also been incorporated. A 6 degree of freedom industrial robot is also used to move objects around the work cell. For various inspection tasks within the work cell, a vision system has also been installed. Finally, the work cell also consists of IoT accessories which moves the sensor data from the local device to the cloud platform. Introducing our state of the art smart manufacturing work cell. Our work cell is designed to transform your manufacturing process by streamlining operations and increase efficiency. Here are a few of the key features and benefits you can expect. First and foremost, our work cell is all about improving efficiency. With its advanced technology, it can perform complex tasks with a greater speed and accuracy, resulting in a significant increase in productivity. No more wasted time or resources. But it's not just about speed. Our work cell can also help you reduce labor cost by automating tasks that would otherwise require manual labor. It means you can redirect your resources to other areas of your business, ultimately leading to increased profitability. Safety is always a top priority in any manufacturing environment. Our work cell is designed with that in mind. It can perform tasks that can be dangerous or difficult for human to perform, thus improving safety in workplace and reducing risk of accidents. Our work cell is also incredibly flexible. It can easily reconfigure and adapt to perform varieties of tasks, giving you the flexibility you need to meet the ever changing demand of your business. Plus, with this advanced technology, it can easily make changes on fly. Quality is key in any manufacturing process. Our work cell delivers that. It can perform tasks with a greater precision and consistency, resulting in improved product quality, say goodbye to defects and hello to customer satisfaction. Last but not the least, our work cell is all about data. With its real time data collection and analysis capability, you will have access to insights that can be used to optimize your manufacturing process and improve overall efficiency. It is like having a personal data analyst right on the shop floor. Now, let me show you how. So, this is the Smart Manufacturing Work Cell at our Center of AI, IoT, and Robotics at IIIT Kanchipuram. And this is the CNC machine which we have retrofitted with IoT devices, IoT accessories. And you can see there are performance monitoring sensors such as ultrasonic sensor, motion detector, accelerometer, vibration sensor in this sensor box. And to monitor the temperature of the spindle motor, we have installed a temperature sensor over here. Then this CNC machine is controlled by a PC. So this is the PC, and the software which we are using is Mark III software. It is interfaced using a normal keyboard and a mouse, and you can write a G code to operate the machine since it's CNC. This is the CNC machine controller, and just above the controller we have a retrofitted edge computer which gathers the data from the sensors and push it over Zigbee to another Zigbee to a Raspberry Pi IoT gateway, that is, and this IoT gateway will transmit to the cloud platform. Let me try and run the machine and show you. So this simple G code is written to surface finish this this block, cylindrical block in the lathe. let it go. As the machine is in operation, we'll be gathering data. So let's have a look at the data. So this is the ThinkSpeak platform. On the left, you see are the graphs related to accelerometer and gyroscope mounted inside the sensor box on the CNC machine. And on the right, you see are the sensor data from the temperature sensor, which is mounted on the motor, and the proximity sensor and motion detector and vibration sensor, piezoelectric vibration sensor. These data we will be able to visualize on the right graphs. So these are real time data updated every one second, and so this not only helps us monitor the data in real time, but also it is well integrated with MATLAB for further analysis. Now, let me leave you with this final demo. We have just scratched the surface and there's a lot to do ahead. Looking forward to an exciting future. Thank you.